Bitcoin, the 5 news that you need to know. You want to know everything about the crypto world? Smash the like button. It's time for Crypto News, Crypto to the Max with your host for the most here, Rodrigo Arnedo. And you see Bitcoin with a very interesting day yesterday, going all the way down to $69,000, previous all-time highs for Bitcoin history. And what's going on today? We're going up. So you need to know everything about the crypto world, and we'll see if we go this like 2.5% we needed since the last previous high, 71,957, or not. And all depends on Ethereum, that you can see right now as we record this video is breaking this bull flag. We are bullish on Ethereum, but expect a lot of volatility. Why is that? Of course, because of the possibility of having a spot ETF of Ethereum in United States. We are just around $1,000 for previous all-time high in all history of Ethereum. It was 4,864. We are around 3,800 right now. And today we have this very important piece of information, which is that the SEC and Gary Gensler, they might announce the decision on the spot ETF for Ethereum around 8:30 p.m. UTC. That in Spain is 10:30 p.m. So watch tomorrow's video. Remember to smash the like button because we will inform you about that and everything else. Remember, we have 23rd, 24th, and 30th of May for those deadlines of the ETF. We'll see if tomorrow is the one. If they say no to Van X one, I believe that's the same for the next two. We'll see about that. Van Eck, for instance, they want to be the first ones, first and only. They say it's not fair. We were the one that asked first, and you do as you do with Bitcoin. So finally, you approve all them together. We might need to wait till August for that to happen. So that's not fair. Do you think Van Eck is going to be the only one? I don't think so, but I expect price of Ethereum going up and down because of this information. Be careful out there. Be careful with the FOMO. I believe that we still need time till we have this ETF approved, but I might be wrong. I'm not expert. This is not financial advice. We just have to wait 3 days and we'll see about that. And tomorrow we have the first decision about this topic. It's true that we told you they are doing their homework, and you can see that the applicants for those ETFs, they are submitting amendments. That's good. That means that there's a dialogue between the SEC and these people. So we'll see about that. Van X is in the DTCC, and step that we needed for the ETF to happen. So we'll see about Ethereum price and with that the market. Another good piece of information is that finally it's official. BlackRock Bitcoin ETF overtook Grayscale for the most asset under management. So we see this monster, financial monster, just eating Bitcoin. We've been 92 days trading those ETFs. The inflows yesterday were 154 million. So we are in the green. And GBTC went back to outflows, but a small amount, just $16 million. So yeah, the money for institutions keep on coming in. And what's the next information you need to know? United States, we told you on AI News and Crypto News, on our social media, they just turn into their policies. And yeah, finally the bill to develop a regulatory framework for digital assets passed the House. That's very important. That means, explain with my own words, that we're going to have two different regulators out there, the SEC in one hand and another one. So if those assets as a security or they are not a security, they are going to be treated differently. And that's very important in the market. CFTC or SEC, of course, our friend Gary Gensler is not happy about this. Neither is Congressman Brad Sherman, that said that passing that crypto bill is created a competitor to the US dollar used by the worst criminals in the world. Do you feel yourself as the worst criminal in the world? Well, That's how some people watch us. Also, Adam Kochi here telling us that, yeah, we had a lot of yes from both parts of the alley. So that was important for this bill. And also that President Biden will not veto this crypto bill. Senator Cynthia Loomis, pro Bitcoiner, she said Bitcoin Pizza Day, celebrate that. It's very interesting that the day we have this bill is the day of the Bitcoin Pizza Day. So we have more and more things to celebrate now in Bitcoin history. The story of Laszlo, remember those two pizzas, 10,000 Bitcoin, now worth $700 million. And we closed yesterday approximately in the $70,000. So you can see how those Bitcoin prices on May the 22nd just go up and up. We'll see next year. And if you want to know the price for that pizza all the time, you have the Bitcoin Pizza Index. I'm going to leave the link in the description below with all the links you can use and the like button if you want to help us. And you can see at every time the price for those pizzas, the price for 10,000 Bitcoin, right now $700 million. We celebrated that with our friends on CoinX. It was a really nice experience. We had pizza. The best thing is that that pizza was not paid in Bitcoin by ourselves. We were invited. So thank you very much to CoinX. Nice exchange, very nice people. They have these pizzas out there with the word Bitcoin. Send me your pictures on social media if you celebrated yesterday eating some pizza or buying with Bitcoin something. We also had a contest there. The one that eats pizza fastest is the winner. And you can expect that I was the last one, so I didn't win this contest. Thank you very much to our partners and congratulations on this very nice event that we had in Madrid. See you next year. Thank you very, very much. As I'm saying, it's a very historic day because we have the Bitcoin Pizza Day. We celebrate that. And also, we had this bill approved. We'll see now in the Senate. Also, really interesting information you need to know. Donald Trump became the first major party candidate to accept crypto donations, something that will be related with the Pizza Day too. So now you can go there and you can see at donaldtrump.com, link in the description below, that you can donate, and he is asking you for that money. So yeah, other parties will see that and everybody wants donations. So yeah, sure, we'll see if the crypto wars, they decide the elections for 2024 in the United States. So with all this, you will expect Bitcoin to be higher. So why is this not happening? Of course, this is because of the dollar is going up. That's not good right now, going red. So that's why you see right now we are going green. And the stock market went down yesterday and it's going down in Asia today. So that's not a good thing. And I think that has to do with the minutes in United States. Jerome Powell, they're saying that they are not so happy with the data we have in United States. So then the market, they don't expect those cuts on the rates to happen. And the same story again and again. But on the other hand, we have a crazy day for Nvidia. For first time in history, Nvidia stock is now trading above $1,000. Really crazy. They have a market cap that is now larger than Tesla and Amazon combined, is larger than the entire German stock market, to put it into perspective. So really nice. They are going to split the stock 10-1. And also you can see that this is becoming crypto sphere, because in 2 seconds you can see a drop or a rise of 10%. We went down for good and then we went up again for good. So yeah, that was $80 in seconds after those earnings. And yeah, well, this is our style. Now going into the stock market, you see Jensen Huang so happy because Nvidia is the one right now. And what do you think? Is Nvidia going to be the stock for the future? Of course, it's the one that all the politicians bought. So that's why it's up. We'll see about that in the future. Pumping like crazy. And some people believe this is related with a Bitcoin pump. But we are waiting for it. It's not happening right now. Maybe tomorrow, according to said. That's today. We'll see about that. Any case, we have more good news coming from London. Financial Conduct Authority has approved Bitcoin ETFs to list on the London Stock Exchange. So little by little, United Kingdom, which is not so pro-Bitcoiner, coming into Bitcoin, knows Bukele about this for good. Now El Salvador just crossed $400 million in Bitcoin holdings. Congratulations on your now 81 million. That's why the smile of the president. And also happy on Metaplanet Incorporated company, the Japanese one we told you in previous videos, because since they have Bitcoin in their balance sheet, the company is the best performing stock in Japan this week with 250% ups in just 2 days in a row. We are still like crazy greedy, extreme greedy in the market, but remember that we are in tax season in Spain. So if you haven't decided about this, remember that you need coin tracking, the tool that I use, link in the description below with a 10% discount in order to track your portfolio and then have that tax report that you can send to our regulator. Again, you still have time till the end of June, but do it today. Link in the description below. Use the link because maybe in the future you need a payment version and you will have that 10% discount in the future. Also, a nice coincidence, we have the New York Times telling the world that Craig Wright is no Satoshi Nakamoto. Just one day before the Bitcoin Pizza Day, a judge in London said that, no, you are not Satoshi Nakamoto. So remember, we knew this a long time ago, but now it's official, and the world, thanks to the New York Times, is going to know all about that. Also interesting coincidence, the day of the Bitcoin Pizza Day, Sam Bankman-Fried, Sam Sagath is going to California, so it's going to be in jail closer to its papas, and they can have a Papa John's out there. Do not fight things out there, the reality, like this cat fighting with the market conditions. Also rest a little bit like this guy. I just can't wait to go home and have some rest. And what about this guy? So exhausted with all this crypto information. Well, you can rest a little bit, but then keep on learning about AI with our channel AI News, and of course, about crypto with our videos here. CryptoNews, Rodrigo Arnedo, fun on the ride, health, money, love, pouring in peace, and the best is yet to come. To the moon!